Hi everyone, and welcome back to another mOth copy trading basics video. In this video, we're going to talk about red days. And by red days, I mean when your funds are going from in the green and a positive gain amount, and it's gone now down into the red. You're not happy with the copy trade that you're on. You're doubting yourself, thinking, maybe I shouldn't have copied this person. He's not very good. I could use this money elsewhere. Should I close it and copy someone else? He's not doing very good. Now, first of all, I'd say whenever you copy anyone, always give maybe 3 days. It always takes time for the trade to find its footing. As soon as you copy someone, if you have a look straight away, within at least the first minute, it will be in red. It will be in a little bit of red, like minus 0.5 or somewhere around that mark, minus 1%. It will be a small amount. And it takes time to go into the green. So always leave a couple of days just to see what happens and let that percentage go up a bit. However, sometimes in the market, there are situations where a lot of different assets, a lot of different stocks just have very bad days. They'll crash down because generally most people tend to buy or go long on the positions. So they expect and bet for it to go up. Most people want it to go up, okay? So in the cases where the market has a crash or has some bad news, maybe bad earnings release, instead of going up, it would start to go down a bit. And that will be reflected on your copy trade. So it will start to go down in the red. Let's look at this example here with Jace VXR that I'm copying. He's at minus 4.75%. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to close him because of that. I don't think, oh, he's not doing very well. The thing to understand is that there will always be bad days in the market. People will go down. You'll start to see red on your account on one of your copy trades. In one hand, you can say that in a matter of days or weeks, it will rebound and the market will go back up. And that red amount that you had will start going in the green again. It takes time. It's a long game trading. It's full of ups and downs like a roller coaster. It will get better. And when it goes green in time, it will get worse. It will go up and down, but generally, if you pick the right traders, in the long run, it will go up. Like with J Nemesis here that I've been copying for less than 12 months. He's got 51%. Okay, so generally it's going up. He's not in the red. It's going up in the long run. But there will be red days and it will go down. So expect that. The other flip side of having these red days is that some traders will take advantage of this new lower price that has affected them. They might buy new positions at this new lower price in the market. So then when it does go back up, it will go up. They'll get more money than what they would have originally because they bought another position at a lower price. Okay, so they're actually making more money. Typically, if you look at a trader on their history, if you see a big red month, typically the month and maybe even the second month after that is usually quite high in green because they're sort of making up for that by buying low. So it kind of balances itself out. So I would advise not to freak out too much if you see someone going in red, like minus 4% or maybe even minus 10%, because it will get better. And it's usually very quickly when it does get better. So just stay calm. Everything will be okay. Try not to freak out. Try not to close the position too quickly. Try not to be emotional with your money. I know it's money, and in a lot of cases, it's a lot of your money. But if you had enough faith to trust the trader in the first place, and you've had a look at their statistics, you've had a look at their value synchronization, you've had a look at all the points, and you're happy with them in the first place, don't let doubt creep in now. You made the right decision if you believe you made the right decision previously. Let the market do its thing. Everything will be okay. It will get better, and a lot sooner than you think. So stay calm. Okay. Thank you for watching another one of my basic videos, and I'll see you next time. Take care.